Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at #SNAPSTAR. New dolls! Yeah! We found Lola, Dawn, Yuki, Aspen, and Echo at Walmart for $14.47 each. There is another SNAPSTAR by the name of Izzy that we don't have yet. Must find Izzy is on the to-do list. And I was holding out on this unboxing until I got her, but I just can't wait any longer. On the front of the box, it says, create your own photo shoot, green screen wall and stand included. Create your own looks with the free SNAPSTAR Studio app, Snap, Style, Share. On the sides of the box, there are drawings of each character. Love the artwork! And you can see that they all have very distinct styles. On the back of the box, it says a little something about each doll. Lola is 99% unicorn, and there's a quote. I don't know what they sound like, so I'm just gonna make it up. I love animals because they're so kind and loving. I would adopt them all if I could. Follow me on Instagram at SNAPSTAR Official to share adorable pet photos with me and the SNAPSTAR squad. Dawn, fashion diva. I love fashion, and when it comes to clothes, I only settle for the best. The SNAPSTAR squad loves to raid my closet because I always have the perfect outfit. Check out my fab looks on Instagram at SNAPSTAR Official. Yuki! #turn up! Music has always been my passion. I write and record my own songs and DJ on weekends. The SNAPSTAR squad loves to come dance when I'm spinning. Follow me on Instagram at SNAPSTAR Official and get backstage access and sneak peeks to all my unreleased tracks. Aspen, #Wanderlust. I love to travel and I'm always on the go. Follow me and my SNAPSTAR squad on Instagram at SNAPSTAR Official and join me on my adventures. Echo, bedazzled babe! I love playing around with makeup and switching up my hairstyle. The SNAPSTAR squad always comes to my place to get glammed up and blinged out before an event. Follow me on Instagram at SNAPSTAR Official to see how I create each look. Out of all of these characteristics, I can relate to Aspen's love for travel. The boxes are very sturdy. They feel and look like cell phone boxes. We are going to carefully open them to get these dolls out for a closer look. Out of the box, she was pretty easy to get out of the packaging, except for these. Never been a big fan of these. The hair is a wig that can be removed. She has a cute little pixie cut underneath, making her look like the younger sister for Liv dolls. I wonder if SNAPSTARs can wear Liv doll wigs. What? They totally can! Well, kind of. The Liv doll wig is a little deeper, so it does touch her ears. But if you look under the wig, you will see that the SNAPSTAR wig is a little thinner than the Liv doll. Liv has a lot more rows of hair, which has pros and cons, because you don't want the wig to be too thick and look like a pygmy puff sitting on your doll's head, but you don't want it to be too thin so you can see right through it. But I am loving that cotton candy hair color. Lola is wearing a pink and teal top with stars, jean shorts. They are two separate pieces and Velcro in the back. She has a unicorn purse, leg warmers, and sandals with a pearly finish. Inside the box, you will find instructions, a cell phone, a doll stand, and a fold-out green screen. That is pretty easy to assemble. Place the doll stand in the center. There is a place to attach the stand behind the doll's neck. That may take a little effort to get in place, but once it's there, the doll is pretty secure. I downloaded the app SNAPSTAR Studio, click Photo Studio, select my doll, change the background. Let's go with this one. And we can take a picture of her by the pool. The colors in her outfit might blend in with the green screen, so you can adjust the sensitivity on the side. Let's take a look at Dawn. She has a curly wig, black earrings, She wears a black jacket with wide sleeves, with a long sleeve collared shirt with shorts underneath. They are one piece and Velcro in the back. She wears high heel boots with silver details, comes with a black cell phone, and a black purse. Say hello to Yuki. She wears a black bob with bangs, a star headband, and bright red lipstick. She has a crop faux leather jacket, wears a black sleeveless shirt, red plaid skirt. All of the clothing items are separate pieces. She wears black fishnet knee-highs, which unfortunately have stained the doll. She finishes her look with black boots with silver details, a black star purse, and a black cell phone. Meet Aspen. She has long blonde hair, a white flower headband. She wears a floral long sleeve outfit with a lot of ruffles, a faux suede fringe vest, salmon boots with a matching purse, and cell phone. The vest is separate from the outfit, and there is a bow in the front. Our last SNAPSTAR is Echo. She has light blue hair with tinsel. She wears a shiny yellow dress with fur trim, pink heart earrings with matching bracelets, a purse, and a cell phone. She finishes her look with white fuzzy boots. I love the color, but the tinsel in her hair does make a lot of flyaways. All of the dolls have glass-like inset eyes, which I absolutely love. I think the makeup is a little intense. However, some do have a softer look. They are fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. Oh, and they can move at the rib cage as well. So for $14.47, you get a fully articulated doll with a doll stand and a green screen. That's cool. They have fashion packs. We found these at Walmart for $4.47 each. The packaging is resealable. I found 6 different outfits. A 2-piece jean outfit with ruffles at the bottom, black boots, and a black purse. We have some loose stitching on the Velcro. We can easily fix that with a needle and thread. And I think this outfit is really cute. Lola is wearing a shiny green dress with a plastic jewel in the middle, blue flower earrings with a matching headband, and boots. I really like this salmon-colored dress. It is perfect for Aspen because of all her salmon-colored accessories. The dress has a ruffle around the top, is gathered around the bottom, comes with a bag, matching sandals, and white earrings. Here is a blue and white strapless jumpsuit with white glasses and white tennis shoes. Your doll will definitely be seen in this sparkly pink dress. It comes with white star glasses and pink glitter heels. And for those days when you just gotta wear ruffles, here is a dress with ruffled sleeves and a ruffled skirt, a ruffled purse, and lace-up shoes. And these shoes took a moment to get on. Yeah. Look at that! Some of our brats can fit the fashion packs. But I gotta say, I'm a little partial to Lola's casual look. I think it is so cool that these dolls are fully articulated, standing under 9.5 inches tall, which is about the same size as the Barbie Team Stacy dolls. I wonder. Everyone, say it with me! Off with their heads! The color match is not perfect, and Stacy's neck is a little shorter. Stacy clothes on a SNAPSTAR body are a little large, and now she is a lot shorter than her friends. In case you were wondering about a made-to-move SNAPSTAR, let's just switch some heads, place Lola on the soccer body, and she is pretty close to a perfect match. Wow, on a larger body, they really look like live dolls. Let's try a Bratz. Not too bad. And as for hair doorables, well, we're having some technical difficulties. Overall, I think SNAPSTARs give you a nice amount of articulation at a decent price. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of wigs. Can you imagine one flying off in the middle of a photo shoot? But I know a lot of people enjoy having that option. I think some of the outfits are pretty cute. I really like Lola's sweater. And the fact that it comes with a green screen is kind of awesome. And that there is an app that you can use to change the backgrounds. I wonder if we could use the app with other dolls and make our own green screen craft time! I went to the dollar store and picked up a green poster board. Fold over the sides on the longer side to make a trifold. Open it up and fold in half. Open it again, cut along the crease to the center line, creating 2 flaps on the sides. Place them underneath the center one so they crisscross, making a large green screen wall that is big enough for taller dolls like 10 to 12 inches. Then use the app so all of our dolls can travel the world with SNAPSTARs. And when we're done, it all folds up for easy storage. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at SNAPSTARs. Be sure to follow us on Instagram for Fabsome giveaways. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.